Good morning everyone, I'm Dr. Shilpi Lahoti. I'm an intervention cardiologist working in JNRC Dispur. So on the occasion of World Heart Day, I want to give you a few tips to stay healthy. Cardiovascular disease is the most common cause of death among the people. But there are simple tips which can prevent you from such diseases. So it's important that we know that firstly, we have to take care of our nutrition, which is very, very important. We should include more of fruits and vegetables in our diet, more of lean proteins, more of good cholesterol. All these things should be a part of our diet. Secondly, we should I always call it as taking a step, making movements every day. That means at least 45 minutes to 50 minutes of brisk walking or doing yoga or exercise is essential because it leads to a better frame of your body. It will help you to lead a healthy life. Thirdly, you have to quit smoking, and also alcohol should be kept in moderation, especially among the young generation today. Drug abuse is very, very common, so you have to keep a watch and make sure that they do not abuse it, because cocaine and amphetamines are one of the most common cause of heart attacks among the youngsters. Again, it's very important that you sleep well, at least 6 to 8 hours a day, because not sleeping well will lead to hypertension or other problems like a lot of stress and everything, which can lead to heart diseases. Again, managing stress is very important. So as we know today, in today's world, everybody has stress, but the whole thing lies on one fact, that how do you manage it. So some people have very good recreational habits, like they like to hear to music, or maybe read books, or do something which is recreational. So this gives you a good distraction, and it is very good for you. So these are the simple tips. And one more important thing I would like to tell you is, you should keep your numbers under check. By numbers, I mean that you should regularly get your BP checked, your diabetes should be under control, and also keep your cholesterol level under check. So all these things will help you to avoid heart disease. So definitely we cannot control everything, but there are some preventable things which is in our hands. So definitely we should look forward to it. And it is very important that that every breath, every heartbeat we have is very, very precious, and we should take care of the heart. Only then our heart will take care of us. So your health, your heart, your responsibility. So take care. Thank you.